Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice here in the bucket, Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and we're looking for a few good men or women. And that's funny because we've actually had just one female maintenance technician, and that was right when we opened. And it's not that we don't hire women, it's they don't apply. And it's a interesting thing, but we are looking for somebody who is willing to be in charge of their own destiny. And what do I mean by that? Number one is, as a maintenance technician here at Nexus, you enjoy the freedom, the liberty, and the independence to make your own schedule. I'll repeat that. You're making your own schedule. We don't tell you where to go. We don't tell you when to be there. You tell you when to be there. You log into our very, very convenient portal system. You pick the jobs you want. You set them up with the tenant for a time that works best for both of you, and you go and complete it. All set. You invoice it. Boom, you're paid. Direct deposit. I don't care where you are. If you're not there, you're not getting paid. So point number two, you are creating your own paycheck. And here, just in our office in Rhode Island, 250 work orders at any given time of varying degrees of different types, right? Small, medium, large, complex, simple. You go on there, you pick them. So some guys like to do 20, 30 jobs in a week, but quick hitters, I call them. Change a lock, open a door, post a notice, pest control, fire alarm test. Boom, 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 boom. They add them up, bang. Or there's other guys that like to do a job in a day, maybe something like a water heater, maybe something like a furnace repair. Okay, something that's going to take a longer time, bring in a good amount of money for them, and they're not running around crazy. So it's up to you, it's up to your preference. Where else does that happen? Okay, number three, after you qualify, after you meet your probationary period, you're going to qualify for 401k with match. You're also going to get benefits for health, meaning your vision, your dental, and your primary care doctor. And that can go for you and your spouse, children, if you have so. That's awesome. What else are you getting? You're also getting paid time off. So you'll get weekly credits that accrue in your paycheck, and then it's a bank of them that you're able to say, all right, I'm going to take these credits. And you don't even have to take the time off if you don't want. It could just be a boost to your paycheck. Finally, and there's many things, but I'm just really condensing this here. You will never find a more solution-focused, community-oriented, positive mindset company. Okay, and the people that don't fit that bill, they're out there. They're on the street. They're in the unemployment line. And that's the truth. If you poison the well, you're gone. We've worked very hard over this decade to create a healthy, solid group. And when people come in that don't fit that, it's known. All the other people, they say, well, what's going on here? This doesn't... We've self-policed ourselves. In the beginning, it was like this. It was like mutiny, eating, people eating. Now we have a nice force field around. So if something bad comes in, there's 20 people that say, what's going on here? This doesn't fit. And it pushes itself out, naturally and organically. And that's a beautiful thing. So my point to you is, you are welcome to come in, but you are also welcome to go out. And if you're interested in learning more, and you want to join the winning team, this is the winning team. Offices in multiple states. We're bursting at the seams. If you want to be a part of that, contact us today, okay? Any questions also, throw them in the comments field below. We'll get right back to you. Once again, Greg Rice here in the bucket, your property and your career managed.